What is up, everyone? Joey with SupernovaLEDs.com. Today we're doing an install video on some license plate LEDs. Here you can see the stock license plate lights, kind of yellow, and we'll be replacing them with these LEDs from SupernovaLEDs.com. When we're done, they're going to be much brighter and much whiter. So first thing you want to do is turn off the lights. Make sure those bulbs cool down because they can get hot. Now that the lights are off, let's take a look at the housing. Now there are going to be one of two ways that we can get to the license plate light. There's a notch here on the license plate housing, so that means we should be able to pry from here without having to go inside to replace the bulb. So we'll pry with our screwdriver. The housing comes right out. Here's where the bulb goes inside the housing, and we'll just twist it. Set the housing aside, and there's our stock bulb. Take out the bulb and replace it with this LED. Kind of hard to do one-handed. And next we'll want to test it to make sure the polarity is correct. Now that we've turned on the lights, looks like they're working. If you plug in the LED and it doesn't initially work, don't worry. Just unplug it, flip it around, and plug it back in again. LEDs require a specific polarity, so if they don't work one way, they'll work the other way. All that's left now is to put the bulb back in the socket. Reattach the housing. It's a huge difference. Much brighter and much whiter. Off camera, we've done the exact same thing to the other side, so now you have two pure white, classy LEDs for your license plate.
If you found this video helpful, hit that like button below and subscribe for more LED videos. Head to SupernovaLEDs.com to get quality LEDs for your ride.